coconut burfi, I have taken 1 glass of coconut and equal amount of sugar, same. The sugar was a very small granules, so both coconut and sugar we have to put it in a kadai. No need to grease or anything. The moisture of coconut will automatically melt the sugar, so you have to just keep on mixing it till it separates. After some time, I add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and some kaju. So I have broken this kaju into small, and only the total amount of ghee is this much only we are putting it. And here now I am putting a little uh, elaichi powder which I have ground with sugar. Normally elaichi powder has to be ground with sugar so that it will be grinding properly. So once the ghee is hot, I will be adding this kaju. You can switch off the gas, otherwise it will become very brown. So with the heat of the ghee, it will become red. You see the color has changed now. So I am pouring this to the burfi. Now my mother always says that you should add a little rava for coconut burfi. So for this 1 glass of big glass of coconut which I have used, I am just putting 1 tablespoon sort of rava on it. And I am, because that she is always of the pretext that keeps binded. So now you can see how the sugar is leaving its place, and when it is going to in the side, you can, and you see the boils in this side this way, so that means that the sugar has melted completely. Now you can grease a plate and put it and cut it immediately, because once it is hard, it will be not easy for you to cut. So this is the right thing. Coconut burfi will be ready in just 10 minutes. Because the pak and all, everybody does not know the texture of the pak, but here you don't have to worry, it is just 1:1 and your burfi will be ready. See here, now I am greasing the plate. I am taking a equal plate, so that I am greasing it completely in the edges and in the sides, that when I pour the mixture, it should not stick. Now I shake this and allow it to settle.
దోశ కట్లు పెడుతుంది.
If you want the coconut to be white, then you should not shred in a mixture. You should only take some part of coconut and do it by hand. Some people put milk for white this thing, but I'm not confident doing that. So the barfi is ready. I have greased the knife also completely. I will be cutting the pieces. Finally, the pieces are made, and here you have a tenga barfi ready to eat. Thank you.